Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1 and respected listener, a very good evening and welcome all of you today's lecture. Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1, I am going to deliver today a very special and amazing outstanding topic. The title I have mentioned on the blackboard: General Introduction Basic Concept of CD Chemical Dynamic, and that is of methods determining of rate laws of, that is, of collision theory. The above topic actually selected from, that is, of MSc Chemistry from semester 1, from, that is, of paper 3 Physical Chemistry, and chosen from, that is, of unit 3rd titled as, that is, of Chemical Dynamics. The given topic I will teach you is basically divided into two sub parts, into, that is, of two sub points. First one, that is, of general introduction of chemical dynamic, and second one, that is, of collision theory of, that is, of velocity of the reactions here. So it becomes essential to describe, to deliver about the basic concept of chemical dynamic before the depth its, that is, of explanation. First of all, I would like to explain in the classroom about the basic concept of chemical dynamics, including the definition of velocity of the reactions, its method to express, kinds of velocity of the reactions, and that is of order of reaction, molecularity, and that is a pseudo order of reactions here. First of all, I would like to define here about the order of reaction and molecularity. Normally it is the general, that is, opinion of the students of MSc Chemistry, although they are studying in, that is, of higher classes, they are doing MSc in Chemistry, and about when they study about, that is, of chemical dynamics, so they think about order of reaction and molecularity are the same term here. First of all, I would like to define, to explain about the definition. Then secondly, then I will deliver in the classroom what are their utility and contribution to explain, that is, of progress of the velocity of the reactions here. Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1 of physical from paper 3, first of all, order of reaction is the reactions, total number of species in any reactions undergoing, performing, whose total number of species, atomic species, molecular species, whose total number to determine the velocity of the reaction, influence the concentration of the reactant, such that total sum and figure account to give the value of order of reactions here. And one can categorize into its further first order of reaction, second order of reaction, third order of reaction, zeroth order of reaction, and that is of fractional order of reactions here. On the other hand, molecularity in any chemical reactions undergoing, to define the stoichiometry with respect to, that is, of reactant and that is of product, their total sum one can account to give the value of, that is, of stoichiometry, and that is of further it may be expressed into, that is, of unimolecular reaction, bimolecular reaction, and trimolecular reactions. The existence of zero molecularity in the environment of chemistry, that is, of doesn't exist here. In our previous video, based on, that is, of chemical kinetics, we have discussed some common example in which order of reaction and molecularity to possess the same value. I meant to say, in, that is, of, let us pick from, that is, of last video of chemical dynamics, in which we were expressing about, that is, of case 1 in which order of reaction and molecularity to possess, that is, of same first order of reaction and unimolecular reaction. Second one, we were expressing about, that is, of in which reactions undergoing by means of, that is, of bimolecular and order of reaction, that is, of second order of reaction. Third order of reaction we have explained in our previous yesterday's video, in which on the behalf of, that is, of redox reaction, we have proved, that is, in the classroom, the order of reaction as, that is, of 3, and that is of to possess, that is, of trimolecular reactions, except these we have also delivered in the classroom, that is, of zeroth order of reaction by the illustration specific example, in which 1 mole of H2T react, that is, of 1 mole of Cl2 to produce, that is, of twice mole of HCl by means of sunlight, above that is the water level, keeping that is a pressure as a constant here. In the same series, now I would like to define to you, to deliver in the classroom, a very special amazing topic, that is of pseudo order of reaction. So it becomes essential three types of the topics, three types of the terms based on that is a chemical kinetics. First one, order of reaction. Second one, that is a molecularity. Third one, today I will teach you about today, that is the pseudo order of reaction. Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1, first of all, how will you define about that is of pseudo order of reactions here? So normally in compact form, I would like to define about pseudo order of reaction are those reaction in which normally, in briefly, to possess order of reaction and molecularity are different, or in other words, such reaction undergoing in which we notice order of reaction and molecularity are different, or order of reaction and molecularity are found in different values here. Why it is happening here? It happens depending upon that is on the behalf of two important factors here: the discrimination, the distinction that is of unequal value, that is of order of reaction and molecularity can be explained on the behalf of two important factors. First one factor based upon that is of due to the presence of one reactant in that is of excess concentration. Second one, that is depending upon that is unequal value, that is of difference value on the behalf of that is a mechanism. First of all, I would like to explain to you about depending upon that is the first factor of that is of that excess concentration here. To explain about first factor in excess concentration of one reactant, I have mentioned on the blackboard here. Hydrolysis of an ester here, when ethyl acetate is hydrolyzed to produce that is a 1 mole of acetic acid, and that is a 1 mole of that is of ethyl alcohol here. Now try to understand that is the progress of the reaction here. In this reaction, due to the excess bulk concentration of H2O, its excess gas concentration does not measurably change, or in other words, we can say due to the excess concentration of H2O doesn't influence the velocity of the reaction here. So one can say, one can determine the velocity of the reaction can be explained on the behalf of that is of a low concentration of that is of ethyl acetate here. So with respect to that is of ethyl acetate, the order of reaction one can that is of prove it that is of 1, while inert molecule, active molecule, inert molecule that is of non-living molecule that is of H2O, and that is of active molecule that is of ethyl acetate. With respect to that is of ethyl acetate, the order of reaction one can classify it, one can is that is of determined, that is of unity, but with respect to that is of that is of molecularity, it is that is of bimolecular reactions here. The similar case now I would like to define here among the students here, inversion of sugar. In other words, sucrose that is of hydrolyzed to produce that is of 1 mole of glucose, and that is of 1 mole of fructose here. The same that is of the chemical or kinetic theory will dynamic theory will be applicable here. Due to the presence of H2O, its excess or dense concentration does not influence the velocity of the reaction, and low concentration of that is of sucrose affect the velocity of the reaction here. So with respect to that is of sucrose, order of reaction that is of 1, and including the total number of that is inactive molecule of H2O and active molecule that is of sucrose to give that is of bimolecular reaction. Hence, in equation number 1 and 2, we notice here order of reaction and molecularity are different. Order of reaction is that is of 1, and these are the bimolecular reaction. Now, second factor which is responsible for the that is of unequal value, that is of difference value between order of reaction and molecularity. Second factor depending upon that is of a mechanism of the reactions here. I mentioned on the blackboard here. First one that is of when nitrogen pentoxide, twice mole of nitrogen pentoxide is decomposed to produce that is of 4 mole of that is of nitrogen dioxide, and that is of 1 mole of that is of oxygen. On the behalf of our first opinion, on the behalf of our first observation, it seems to us that order of reaction must be given by that is 2, because 2 mole of nitrogen pentoxide is composed here to produce that is a 4 mole of that is a nitrogen dioxide and 1 mole of oxygen. But obviously on the behalf of that is a mechanism which is undergoing that is under that is a 3 steps, it has been experimentally proved except one rest steps undergo fastly, and the step which is undergoing, which is moving, that is slow motion, to determine the velocity weight determining step here. Let us try to check every step. In first one step, N2O5 slow motions to undergo to produce the decomposition, nitrogen trioxide, 1 mole of oxygen. Next one step second, fastly, in fast motion, nitrogen trioxide again to decompose to produce nitric oxide 1 mole. And 1 mole of that is of nitrogen dioxide. In third, that is the combination of the active species of nitric oxide again recombine on that is of 1 mole of N2O5 nitrogen pentoxide with that is the fast motion to produce that is of thrice NO2. Now let us arrange and cancel the unwanted that is of a product reactant. Here N2O3 will be cancelled by that is of N2O3 with left hand, and that is of our left hand side with that is of our right hand side with respect to that is of product and that is of a reactant here. Similarly, nitric oxide here act as that is of a reactant will be cancelled with that is of nitric oxide with the next step here. Finally, on solving and by that is of the determination of stoichiometry N2O5 to give that is of twice mole of nitrogen pentoxide to produce for NO2 plus O2, say that is the fundamental equation as that is the A equation. On the behalf of the operation on the behalf of mechanism we have produced here that is of say that is the A equation here. Now let us check the steps of the mechanism. In step number 1, which is moving in slow motion, it is the velocity or rate determining step to have that is of one reacting species of nitrogen pentoxide. So with respect to slow motion, with respect to that is step 1 rate determining step, velocity determining step, to have that is of single reacting species of nitrogen pentoxide. So with respect to nitrogen pentoxide, the order of reaction that is of a unity here, but here here total number of moles present 2, so the molecularity of the above reaction that is of 2 here. So obviously on the behalf of mechanism it has been experimentally proved here that the reactions, there are so typical reactions which undergo their steps, mechanism undergo more than one step except one step, rest step is moving in fast motion. So obviously we determine, we analyze about the order of reaction, those steps to moving that is of about that is velocity determining a slow step. In slow step we account that is the number of reacting species as in the decomposition nitrogen pentoxide we have explained on the behalf of mechanism here. Second one typical example, that is when peroxide disulfide is treated here, that is of twice mole of that is of iodine minus to produce that is of twice mole of sulfate ion and that is of iodine. Now in our first observation, in our that is of first that is opinion, we conclude here that the reaction twice mole 1 mole of peroxide disulfide react with that is of twice mole of twice minus iodine minus. It in first observation the order of reaction must be that is of 3, but on the behalf of mechanism it has been that is of proved the order of reaction that is of 2 and that is of molecularity that is of 3. Now let us try to check, let us try to proceed, let us try to explain the mechanism which is undergoing that is of a 3 step here. And first one step, peroxide disulfide H2O 2 minus react with that is of I minus with slow motion to produce that is of intermediate complex of sulfur and oxygen H2O 3 minus to produce that is freely that is of iodine minus iodine that is of iodine atom here. Next one here that is of step number 1 as a product H2O 3 minus. Now in next step reacts with that is of iodide minus to produce that is of twice twice mole of sulfate, 2SO4, 2 minus, to produce that is a freely, that is of iodine atom here. Next one, that is a freely iodine atom react with next one iodine atom to produce that is of iodine molecule. Second and third occur in that is a fast motion here. Now let us try to solve the unwanted unnecessary reactant and product to be mentioned in the form of reactant in the form of product here. Common reactant product. Now let us check for the cancellation process here. Now we apply here S2O8 3 minus here produced in the form of product will now be cancelled here, that is of S2O8 3 minus in the form of reactant here. Next one, iodine here in first and second step freely iodine atom is now produced, now will be cancelled. In step number third, where iodine atom react with each other to produce that is of I2. So iodine, it will be totally that is of cancelled. Iodine, that is of iodine, I2, I and I will be totally, the iodine will be totally cancelled here. Finally S2O8 2 minus plus twice I minus twice SO4 minus plus that is of I2. So finally equation number that is of B, we totally produced here fundamental equation B by solving the fair fundamental equation here. Now let us check in that is of slow motion step how many numbers of reacting species that is are present here. So students of MSc chemistry from semester 1, in that is of this one reaction overall equation undergoing mechanism will be taken into account occurring that is of 3 steps here, and second and third steps undergoing that is of fastly. So students of MSc chemistry is step number second and step number third unable to determine the velocity of the reactions here. So it becomes essentially we have to concentrate about the progress of the reactions on that is of step number 1, in which S2O2 minus plus I minus that is of reacting species to have that is of in slow motion in rate determining step. Since step number 1 is that is a rate determining step to have that is of number of moles that is of 2. So with respect to that is of S2O8 2 minus and that is of I minus to determine finally the order of reaction as that is of their sum, their number, their account that is of 2. So order of reaction that is of 2 and molecularity that is of 3 here. Now let us come back on equation number first one. How will you calculate the rate equation, rate expression when the student studying at the level of MSc chemistry, but according to that is of chemically dynamically that is of expression, they don't know the process how to write rate equation with respect to such that is of typical reactions here. So very simple here, that is of in above reaction number 1, that is of rate deterministic number 1. Let us come back, let us check again our we concentrate our that is of mental power on that is of step number 1, slow rate determining step. The minus, since here N2O5 is acting here in the form is present in the form of reactant, so obviously during the progress of the reaction negative sign will be used, because during the progress of the reaction as the equilibrium shifted in forward direction, in such a position concentration will be totally observed as that is of negative. So hence rate is equal to minus d upon dt, mathematical operation d upon dt with respect to that is of N2O 5 nitrogen pentaoxide here is equal to the it directly proportional to that its concentration with respect to the reactant which is present here. The same reactant will be used here, N25 to the power 1, K1 dash indicate for that is of pseudo order of reactions here. The similarly rate equation, rate law one can calculate in that is of equation number B here. Now in coming timing here I will teach you about the fractional order of reactions and their rate equation, rate law we will derive in the classroom here. Now let me allow to me to join to you tomorrow's. Now goodbye. Now thank you very much.